In Fusion 360, you can do a dimension to a circle and an arc, and you have the choice of doing a radius or a diameter. What do you need to know about this? Hey, Tyler Beck with Tech and Espresso. So when you're in a sketch, in the design, in a model, when you're placing the dimension, so I've got this circle. By default, it's a circle, and therefore it wants to do a diameter. If we come up and we do a line and an arc, we dimension to that arc, it wants to do a radius. So keep that in mind. When it's a complete circle, it wants to do a diameter. When it's an arc, it wants to do a radius. How do you flip it? Right-click on it before you place it. Little nuance there. I'm going to try again. Click it. Right-click before I place the dimension and choose what I want, diameter or radius. And there's my diameter. Great. Now I come down to this diameter, right-click, choose radius. And of course, it's pretty much the exact same thing in the drawing. Come in to do this radius of this arc before I place it, right-click, go down, find diameter, and now I can place that dimension. Hey, if you'd like to learn more about all the different dimensioning and dimension strategies, check out this video that I did just on all the dimensions and why you should use them correctly in Fusion 360. I'll see you in the next video.